All right, here's his last one. You know what? I just want you to watch the last one, Will. It's a YouTube short. It's in trending. I believe that's just under 20 million views. Shorts are taking over the universe. Everything is short. Look how short it is. Cool, I'm scrolling. It's short. 20 million views. YouTube algorithm. Is it short? Show it. Give it to them. Anyway, this clip on trending, 20 million views, just under, May 7th, 2021. Title, Talent Catching Fish, emoji of fish, deep iceberg fish, in brackets, catch fish, comma, ice fish, end bracket, another fish emoji, TikTok number 195. 20 million views. Go for it, Will. Hit the play button.
Oh, boy.
I'm looking at you, Will.
So it's trending number 10.
I'm looking at you, Will. I'm looking at you.
Well, for the audio listeners, would you want to describe what's going on?
I'm looking at you, Will.
So there's like a small puddle and there's two fishermen who are grabbing a net and dragging the net to land. And there's a lot of anticipation.
There's a fake crowd screaming.
Oh, is it a fake crowd?
Well, where are they?
Are they behind the camera?
I think that's what you're supposed to believe. The whole thing,
yeah.
And it looks like a man-made, like they obviously dropped those fish in there, and
I was in it. I was in it for a bit.
So this is a Rickroll? Like you get Rickrolled? Like, wah.
Sure, yeah.
Is that what this is?
Yeah. Well, the like and dislike ratio, it's not like people completely hate it.
No, people
It's pretty good.
People like it.
Likes.
But I don't. Is it meant to be humor? Like, what is it exactly? Is it meant to be a troll? Is it meant to be a Rickroll? Are we idiots?
I guess
Are you laughing your head off right now?
No.
Yeah.
No.
So we're idiots. We suck. It's the greatest thing it's the greatest clip that's ever been uploaded. 20 million views in one day. Well, not one day. Actually, it was uploaded on the 7th. So it's been sitting there for a while. Why is it in trending right now? What is going on? What kind of games are being played? Everybody in the world got it suggested to them all at once.
Yeah, man, this is the life that we live right now.
I'm telling you, games are being played.
Yeah.
And you and I, guys like us, old men like us, we're not privy to it.
No.
Those games.
Yeah.
We gotta try to navigate this one out here.
Yeah.
We're in trouble out here. We're barely hanging on out here.